What is going on, guys? We are back in the 240 today. I have to remember. Yo, I sound mad zesty when I said that, bro. Anyway, it's been about a week since I tuned it, so I want to give you guys a little review. You know, do some pulls and whatnot. Do a little walk around though, because I detailed it today, even though it's fucking snowing out, so it's not gonna last very long. But yeah, it's looking good. I coated the grills to always be open now, so it looks so much better with them open. But yeah, just talk about the tune a little bit, go around, do some pulls, whatnot, have some fun in my Christmas tree pajamas. Having some Texas Roadhouse for dinner tonight, guys. I'm so excited. Anyway, Sport Plus, obviously. Sport Plus, traction off. Hopefully I don't kill myself in this snow today. But yeah, I've had a while to mess with the settings a little bit. I got the burbles right where I want them. Not too aggressive. I don't really like pops and bangs, you know. I like some burbles, but pops and bangs are a little obnoxious, you know. We're mature over here on the 600 sub channel. Oh shit, piece of ice. It is really shitty out, guys, really shitty, but that's okay. Forgot my phone too, so that kind of sucks. But what are we feeling for the color tonight? I've been rocking the green for a while now, but I think it might be time to change it. That was really good. The intake got a lot louder. I think I said that in my last video. Let's go with lilac. Yeah, intake almost sounds like a fucking, like a wastegate mode. It's ridiculous. But yeah, this thing absolutely rips. It's crazy what just software can do. It's pretty nuts. It's my girlfriend up there. She doesn't want to be on camera, but we're just cruising. Oh, where are we going? Where are we going? Hold on. Oh, all good, fellas. She thought I meant pull in when I flashed her, but she was just in the wrong lane. Anyways, back to cruising. See if I can get some burbles under the bridge. Yeah. Ooh, that was a nice one. That was a good one. That was crispy. It's crazy. It sounds so good with even just the stock exhaust. Like, there's literally nothing done to the exhaust at all. And the pops sound really, really good. I might have to turn them back down a little bit once I do the downpipe. They're already pretty low. It's only on like 3 aggression for like half a second. But yeah, if they're already that loud, I might have to turn it down again once I do the downpipe. But yeah, they sound great. This thing is torquey as hell, bro. It's got power everywhere. Like, if I just literally 2500 in third, it's crazy, dude. It's so fast, man. Holy shit, definitely worth the unlock, 100%. 100%. It's just all smiles now. It sounds so good. It's super quick. Power everywhere. It's nuts, man. Huge difference from stock for sure. do a little 40 roll here. Not too fast though, because we're in some conditions, so take it easy. But yeah, that was fucking 40 to 110, like absolutely nothing. Just absolutely rips. Makes all the right noises too. It's nuts. I guess now that I've been on this for a while, I can talk a little more about the how this feels versus the MHD maps off the shelf. And the people weren't lying. This is definitely a lot more aggressive, especially down low. Like I just showed you, like you can floor it pretty much any point you want, and it'll just spool right up and fucking go. I don't know exactly how much horsepower it should be around, but it's, you know, obviously over 400 now. Stock's 380, so I'm guessing somewhere around 430, 440 if I had to guess. But yeah, it drops your stomach for sure. There's a big hit of torque. Super aggressive. Throttle's very touchy as well. I haven't really done too many digs because the stock 225s all around is pretty sketchy. It feels like I'm floating around a little bit, and I'll just do like a burnout in one place. But I've done one or two, and it feels pretty nuts. So maybe I'll try another one at some point here. There seems to be a lot more features with boot mod too, though, like the having the active grills open all the time. That's a great feature. I don't know if MHD has that. It might, but I'm not sure. Obviously, I don't have it. But when I did have MHD, it was on an F30, so can't really attest to whether or not they have that feature. But yeah, boot mod is definitely a lot more customizable once you get used to the interface and everything. There seems to be a lot more options. One thing this doesn't have though is the overrun BRAP. I don't know if MHD has that for the Gen 2 B58s, but they had it on the F30s. So that was a fun setting, but yeah, boot mod doesn't have that as far as I'm aware. But that's not really like a, you know, that's kind of just like a whatever setting, just for fun if you want to make some more noise. These burbles are perfect, man. I love them. It's so quick, bro. It just goes. Another thing is, I did something very, very smart and decided to take the back seats out of this thing already, just for fun, because I mean, nobody's ever sitting back there anyway, so I figured why not do it. I think they weigh like 50, 60 pounds about, but yeah, if anyone wants a tutorial on how to take those out, let me know. I'll definitely make a video on that. It's super simple. It's just like, fuck, what is that, like 4 bolts, I think, 5 bolts. It's not hard at all, and get a good amount of weight reduction from that too. So yeah, I figured why not just do it. Try and do it. Oh no, Fuck, dude. I was gonna say I'll try and do a dig here at this light, but there's a fucking cop right in front of me. Just pulled out. Oh, that sucks, man. I don't know if I'd go anywhere anyway. It's wet. It's wet, it's snowing, 225s. Ooh, is that an RS5? Ooh, that thing is hot right there, brother. That thing is nice. I miss my RS, man. Great cars. This thing just makes all the right noises, dude. It sounds so good. Oh. There's Mr. Officer. Oh boy. Nothing illegal here. Good sir. It is stock mostly. What's with the traffic, dude? Anyone else been noticing a ton of fucking traffic lately? Like, I don't know why, like, I don't know if we just had like a massive influx of people or what, but there's just so many cars on the road always. It's starting to get on my nerves. I'm starting to get road rage. I'm not even kidding. It's ridiculous. It literally sounds like a blow-off valve. It's so ridiculous. Well, yeah, it did not sound like that before the tune. It was definitely like, there was some blow-off for sure, but it was not that loud. Up. It gets up. I'd love to do I want to do some races soon, but nobody really wants to run in the middle of winter, obviously. But I definitely got to get the draggy out and do some times. That'll probably be my next video. Seeing what we get on the draggy. I'm interested on the. I'm interested to see what the launch will be like if I can get a good 0 to 60 time. Because again, it's still cold. I got skinny ass tires on, so hoping the quarter mile will be mid 11s maybe. That'd be nice. I don't see why it wouldn't. As long as I could get a good launch, it should be somewhere in the mid 11s. Oh, I'm getting loading springs put on the 11th, so I'll definitely do a video of that as well. I got some ASTs. I think they lower it like an inch and a half, I want to say, maybe something like that. But I'm excited to do that. Definitely needs it. It's gonna look super good. I'm probably gonna throw on some spacers as well with it. But yeah, it just needs wheels, man. It really needs wheels. 225s are not it. I like the wheels. I think they look pretty good, but just too skinny. Lost it a little bit there. Broke loose in second. But yeah, it's just overall it's a great fucking tune. I mean, if you're considering doing the unlock, I mean, just do it. There's no reason to wait other than, you know, wanting to keep your warranty. But it only voids your drivetrain warranty. So if something else goes wrong, like cosmetically, like, you know, like a headlight seal fails or whatever, they'll still replace that under warranty, because the tune's not going to affect your headlights, obviously. But yeah, definitely do it if you're debating it. It's worth it 100%. Just the noises alone and the burble customization and everything is just reason enough for me to do it. Like, it's just so much fun. Just get so many smiles, you know. It's just you just want to put your foot down all the time. It's just so good. Feels so good. I've been beating on this thing. I feel really bad, but it hasn't been super long, you know. For first week with the tune, you gotta put your foot down a little bit, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Alright, home sweet home. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just some quick little update video, just some thoughts on the tune. Again, definitely do it if you're thinking about it. It's great. It's super easy to do. The flash times are like, once you tune it once, the first tune or the first flash takes a little bit longer. But if you want to like edit your burbles or whatever, it literally takes 8 seconds to flash the car, and then it's done. But yeah, I think likely my next video will be putting the lowering springs on. So I hope you guys enjoyed. It's a bit of a short one, but yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Later.